Today we're working on a 2002 Hyundai Sonata with a 2.7 motor. It's got an inconsistent idle. Instead of staying about 800-900 RPMs, it sometimes will drop down and stall. So we're going to install an idle air control valve today. We'll show you how that's done. You're going to reach inside the car here, and you're going to pull this latch, which is going to release your hood. You can hear it click. Then you go to the front of the vehicle here, and there's this part you pull up, and just pull the car up. The part you're looking for underneath is this right here. You just pull it up, which releases the latch on the hood. Right here is your idle air control valve. It's on the side of your throttle body. It's got two 10 millimeters holding it on. And there should be a clip holding this on right here, except for it's missing. It's an old car. For some reason it's missing. But this is what the clip would look like right here. And all you do on that clip is push it down and pull it like that. So all we're going to do now is pull this down, because there's no clip on it, of course. And the top one we can get with a screwdriver. There'll be a gasket behind it. So you can either use a Phillips screwdriver or a 10 millimeter. It looks like it's easier to use a 10 socket on the bottom. You can see the gasket there. And that's it. Now you're going to want to make sure this surface right here is clean. And then we're going to reinstall the new one with the gasket. I like to put these in like that to make it easier, so the gasket doesn't move around, and you just reinstall it. At least get one of them going. Snug it up and get the second one going. Make sure it's just going easy. You don't want to cross thread it. Just like that. It's got to go that easy. Just snug it. You don't want to over tighten it. Snug that one and do the bottom one. Like that. A little tighter. Okay. Now the bottom one, I'll use this to tighten it up. Tight. And this one you can't get on with a socket, so we have to go back to the screwdriver. Tight. Okay, we just plug this back in, and hopefully that corrects our idling problem.